Welcome to Bicol University, where language transcends mere words and becomes a powerful tool for change. Bicol University isn't just an institution, it's a community of language enthusiasts, dreamers, and change makers. Look no further than the ABEL English Language program at our prestigious school. Today, we invite you to discover why choosing ABEL English Language is a decision that will set you on the path to success. As an English language student here, you are embarking on a transformative journey. Let's delve into what awaits you. As an English language student embodying the vision, University for Humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies, at Bicol University, we don't just learn English. We cultivate ourselves to become passionate communicators, global citizens, and advocates for positive change. Productive scholarship. As an ABEL English language student, your studies go beyond grammar and syntax. You'll explore literature, linguistics, and cultural nuances. Transformative leadership. As an English language student, your words matter. Whether you're crafting speeches, leading discussions, or writing persuasive essays, you'll learn to inspire change. Collaborative service. As an ABEL English language student, your fluency becomes a tool for community service. You can use your linguistic skills to address real-world issues, be it literacy, environmental awareness, or mental health advocacy. Distinctive character. As an English language student, we uphold honesty and integrity. Your words reflect your character, so be a beacon of authenticity. Because language is power. It's a tool that allows us to express our thoughts, share our ideas, and connect with people from all walks of life. Everyone, so today we're going to interview some ABEL English language students. Let's go! Hi! Good afternoon, I'm Leia.
Hi, Shailene po.
Nice to meet you. So, are you okay to interview?
Yes.
So, how was your overall experience as an ABEL English language student?
For me po, the pressure is very undeniable, but it's this very pressure that pushes me to go beyond my limits because you're not just studying, you're learning, growing, and pushing your boundaries. So the ABEL English language program pushes us to think critically, communicate effectively, and to develop a deep understanding about the language and literature.
Thank you. Hi, I'm Leia.
Hello po.
Hi.
Po.
Are you an ABEL student?
Yes, we are po.
Okay. So, is it okay to interview you?
Sure po.
So, why did you choose ABEL English language as your program?
I choose ABEL English language because it will enhance my skills in speech and writing, and I heard that this program offers a wide range of job opportunities across the world.
Thank you.
Thank you po. We're ABEL students. Of course, we need to walk from old cal to new cal.
We are English majors. Of course, we also say, Ma'am, pwede mag-Tagalog?
We are English majors. Of course, we believe that language is powerful.
We are ABEL students. Of course, we embrace multilingualism.
At our school, we believe in nurturing student dreams and aspirations. As an ABEL English language student, our goal is to deepen our understanding of the language, enhance our language skills, and explore the practical applications of English in various contexts. We aim to excel in our coursework, actively participate in language-related activities, and engage in opportunities that allows us to apply our knowledge in real-world settings. By immersing ourselves in the study of English language and literature, we aspire to become a proficient communicator, critical thinker, and advocate for the power of language in fostering connections and shaping perspectives.